I got a 35-year-old man in my closet.
It's a man baby. Hey, do you know
A
about those
man baby. A
man
man
baby?
child.
Man
Wait,
child, yeah.
what do you do to change them?
What? Oh, I don't change the 35-year-old. He's got there's an entirely another room. It's like a secret room that I have in the attic where
Wait,
it's just
hold
an
up.
entire toilet.
What?
But what about his cheeks?
I give him like toilet paper. I have my
Yeah,
own manufacturer of
You
toilet
slap his
paper.
booty to get the poo poo off.
but what
He
about
knows,
the diapers and the
he
babies?
knows he knows how to they know how to change themselves. I made them very smart.
What about the black
Yes, he
ones?
I teach the babies trigonometry.
Oh, really now?
I teach them
Wait,
rocket science.
so you stuff them in a baby closet, but you teach them trigonometry.
You
They're the
open the
smartest
closet
babies
for
ever.
1 hour.
Imagine the closet's as big as a classroom. It's like an actual classroom.
Yeah, it's like a closet door, and then inside is like a secret hole where
If
Zach
you knock on the door twice, kick the door 3 times, and then
do a
do a
spin.
do a slide shuffle, do the fanciest bookie move you got, and then it'll freaking turn into a classroom when you open it.
Ah, yes.
A secret door will open.
Get out, da-da-da-da, and then the classroom will be there.
Or you can just find the doll in the closet and then pull its string. It says in the play the Doomslayer theme.
In
I
the
mean,
first stage.
yeah, in the first stage. I don't know.
Children are temporary, but doom is eternal. Yes.
And then it shoots a gun out of its mouth, and you gotta dodge that by doing this fanciest shimmy shuffle that you ever have done.
See a shimmy shuffle?
Yeah, bro, the
What
shimmy
the frick is
shuffle.
the shimmy shuffle?
Fanciest shimmy shuffle. Oh my
So
god.
you gotta duck down, shimmy, go up, shimmy, duck down, shimmy, go up, shimmy.
Shim.
How many shimmies are there?
Like 20.